Assalamu alaikum. How are you all of you? Which topic today? Today our topic is sound. Today our topic is sound. Do you know what is sound? You don't know? Don't worry, I am here to help you. Let's start. Definition of sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which makes us hear. We hear sounds with our ears. Two types of sound, loud sound and soft sound. Some sounds are soft and some sounds are loud. Different animals and different things produce different sounds. Like this cat sound meow meow. Cat meow meow. Dog sound how, 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 how. Picture baby crying sound. Wah, wah, wah. This is clock sound. Tick, tick. Clock sound. Tick, tick. This is bell sound. Ting, ting. This is butterfly sound is this.